Chat, what's up, man? How are you all doing? Welcome back to the streams. What's good? What's good? 1 second here. Yo, so we are out here. Let's just switch this over. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are we doing? What's good? George, Ben, Louis, Denai, what's good? Cryptomaniac, Malinko, JJ's here. What's good? All right, chat. Jed, good morning. Cool. Level up, what's good? Good morning, SG, what's good, man? Good morning. Chat, we are ripping right now. Gold is flying, absolutely flying. Holy shit. I don't even know what to say, that's ridiculous. Unfortunately, chat, we have no bottom wick on the daily. I wasn't able to actually grab anything here in terms of like a daily opening swing or anything. I was looking at it last night, but it just didn't form. But chat, nonetheless, we have a ridiculous amount of potential right now. If we can get a pullback, we should be good to go, to be honest. So that's realistically what I'm going to look for. What's good, Mark? What's good, Cassidy? Alex, what's good? So yeah, chat, we just do a quick breakdown. I mean, there isn't really a breakdown, to be honest. It's not really possible for there to be one, but obviously we understand we're bullish, right? There's an opportunity for a pullback, but I'm not going to take sells, to be honest, for a long time. The best way, honestly, for you guys to trade all-time highs, you know, when you have an asset that's at all-time high like this, like gold currently is, we obviously have no structure to the left that we can base our trades off of. So the only thing we can do here is go back, drop to the smaller time frames, like the 5-minute or the 15-minute, and plan out our ranges there. So if you look here, we obviously do have some form of structure. I know it's not the best, but there's still some. And you can wait for break and retest. So when we come back down and tap into 2861, or obviously you can wait until we come a little bit further down, retest, and then continue back up. But whilst it's driving like this, the only thing we can do is just wait, stay patient, and yeah, not chase that pump. Because once you chase that pump and FOMO in, that's when it's going to start to reject. You just know it, right? Yeah, so yeah, obviously we are ripping up now. For me, personally, like I said just now, 2861, if we can retest that area, then great. On the 5-minute, yeah, it's pretty much similar. So obviously I need to wait for us to come down, or otherwise the thing that I would need to see is us to build structure here on the lower time frames, you know? Build some 5-minute structure, which we kind of basically did here a little bit, but yeah. So chat, that's essentially the analysis. Today's going to be a patient day. If it's just going to continue to drive, then it's going to continue to drive. It might be a no trade day. You know, so be it. So be it. Nothing to do for the moment, exactly. Good, Danny, good morning. Yeah, chat. Listen, when you're at all-time highs, it's really important to stay patient here. You can't really be doing anything else. I'm not going to lie, I wish crypto was doing the same as gold right now. I wish crypto was just absolutely ripping up like gold. But it's not. Anyway, how's the gym hunt going? What's good, Tony? To be honest with you, I've had to put that on hold because I'm moving countries. So, I mean, unless I start one abroad, yeah, for the meantime, that's been on hold because I realized the most important thing to me was to get out of the UK. So, that's my first priority. And then after that, we'll be looking at next business ventures, but for right now that's my main focus, to be honest. Content and getting out of the country, which obviously I will be doing in about 2 weeks time. I'm in Scotland as well, and it's depressing as fuck. Yeah, Scotland, mate. In terms of weather, I can imagine it's very depressing, but the UK is not much better. So, yeah, chat. I'll be. It's about 13 days till I move. Why are you leaving the UK? A multitude of reasons, right? By the way, chat, the 15-minute closed here. From the looks of it, oh, we did get a bottom wick. Let me open my broker here. 15 kind of closed, no top wick though, which I don't like at all. Wait. Why is my MT5 playing up? Alright, wait, let me get you back on screen. Alright, yeah, it's playing up for some reason, I don't know why, but there you go. We are pushing down right now. Making a bottom wick, but chat, I don't think I can really take that, to be honest. Yeah, not interested in this either. Because, yeah, we need a pullback and the 15 close kind of no top wick. 1 minute of silence for sellers. Yeah, whoever tries to sell the top is crazy. Running from the tax man? Maybe. No, not running from the tax man, but I guess preemptively running from the tax man. Yeah, weather, tax, lots of stuff, to be honest. Although, chat, I think I found a card to get out there, to be honest. What's good, Joel? Yeah, it's a sad, sad day. It's a sad day today. I'm going over to the garage in about 5 hours time and selling my car. That times. But no, it has to be done, unfortunately. I can't take it with me, so I'm gonna get something nicer out there, to be fair. Sell it back to them? Yeah. Yeah, I'll take like a grand loss, but is what it is. How long are you planning on going for? Full time? Yeah, full time. Sad day after the school shooting here in Sweden. Oh yeah, shit, I saw about that. That is sad. I have one thing to look at. Yeah, that's terrible, bro. Do they know who did it? I found you on YouTube yesterday as well. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Well, welcome to the channel, bro. First one in Sweden. First one ever. Crazy. Yeah, chat, but listen, I'm super excited to move out there. It's going to be sick in terms of content, in terms of opportunities. There's going to be so much going on, chat. Realistically, it's going to be insane. It's going to be super, super good. Oh, crazy, Axel. That's insane. What's good now? I'm very, very good, thank you. How are you? What car you want to buy in Cyprus? I've been looking at a few. Right, there was an M4 I saw that was super nice, but I think it's a little bit too expensive. I'm not trying to like pay stupid money for a car. I want to get maybe an E-Class Mercedes, or I was looking also at a like a similar car to mine, right? Like a CLA AMG, or even like a Range Rover. But Range Rovers are stupidly priced out there. What's your E-Class? It's like a 2020. They're all around 2021. But they're like I think one of them was like a 3-door one. It was actually quite nice, but I don't know if I want a 3-door. KB, how's it going, man? How much was the M4? Oh, bro, the one I was looking at was like It's like 55,000 euros or something. I don't need to search trend lines to find you. Yeah, KB, you tell me, bro. I don't know. Surely a convertible. I don't think I want to get a convertible, you know. I like sunroofs, but I think like soft top cars, I don't know. For some reason, for me, they look a bit, how do I put this nicely? Like a bit feminine, you know. Some of them are super nice, but why does gold keep going up? It's due to like instability in the market. So obviously with Trump and the trade wars, yeah, hard top one then. That is true. That's actually true. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. Yeah, gold keeps going up because of many reasons, right? Main reason for gold pushing up to all-time highs is due to sort of, you know, the trade wars going on, you know, and Trump's just come into office. There's a lot of, you know, a lot of people are unsure in the markets. A lot of, you know, the banks are unsure about the future and what's, you know, what's to come, how China's going to react to the tariffs, etc., etc. So, yeah, when people are, you know, unsure about the markets, they tend to move to a safe haven currency or a safe haven asset, which is now gold, essentially just protecting their dollars against downside, just in case something goes a little bit crazy in the US economy. So yeah, as well as that, obviously you have a lot of stuff going on in the world. You have Israel, you have Ukraine. It's just a combination of things pushing gold up. Chat, what's good, Zulu? Zulu just sent in a good link. Guys, my 50% deposit bonus campaign for Raise FX lasts only for the rest of this week. So if you do want to get 50% deposit bonus on your, you know, brokerage account, so let's say you deposit 10K, you'll get 5K bonus to trade with. You can do that for the rest of the week. Just set up the account and then email them afterwards saying TRLS50 and you'll get it. But yeah, big opportunity, only lasts for the rest of the week. Wait, Trump said he's going to take Palestine. I didn't even see this. I haven't checked Twitter or anything. Okay, that's interesting. That is interesting. New post notifications from Donald J. Trump. Where did he say that? Did he say it on like a speech or something? 6K is coming? 6K gold would be ridiculous. I'm not going to say it's impossible, but 100% gain from here. A long, long way. SG, what's your dream car without looking at money? Yeah, GT3 RS maybe, or like, no, I like the Porsche 918. The 918 is super nice. P1, yeah, P1s are nice. 600 LT Spider. Yeah, nice. Do you trade on funded or personal? I trade on a personal account, or multiple personal accounts, brother. But yeah, I trade only personal now. Just because it's a lot nicer, to be fair. 918 is a futuristic car. It's insane that it's a 2014. Yeah, I know. It's a gorgeous car as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Chat. Next car for me is probably going to be like a, I don't know, like the next, not the next car, but first like dream car would be a G-Wagon probably. Especially living in Greece now. It's like the perfect car to get around in. In Cyprus, I saw so many G-Wagons, like a ridiculous amount. Like every third car was a G-Wagon. Insane. Will your Cyprus stream start sooner regarding local time? Yeah, they will do. So I'm probably going to start like an hour or so earlier. Just because, well, pre-London's a lot of volume, right? So there's probably going to be a lot of opportunity for us to get positions. Hey, what's good, Scott? G63, the everyday whip goal. Yeah, G63. Bro, I saw such a nice Brabus G-Wagon out there. Like, it drove past us. It was fucking beautiful. Like, this baby blue Brabus G-Wagon. For me, it would be an advantage and pull up as a Ginger James Bond. Ginger James Bond is crazy. The Vantage is beautiful, though. D12 as well. The noise that thing makes. Did you start on funded accounts? I quickly moved over. I did start with funded accounts. Didn't really get on with them very well. And then quickly moved over towards like a live account. I just used a lot of the savings that I had already saved up to like deposit. That makes sense. What did I say earlier? I don't know what you said earlier. Okay, again, Mr. Eugene. But yeah, no, I do think like a G63 or like a Range Rover is like a SVR or something is the ideal daily. Yeah, chat, I don't know what car I'm going to get. We'll have to see. I'm going to go out there, like, rent a car for, like, a week or two whilst I find an actual car and then just buy one in cash out there because the easiest way to do it, I was thinking about, like, importing mine or whatever, but it's going to cost a fortune. The best way for me to do it is going to be just to literally fucking, you know, find a car out there, just pay a little bit of a premium on top, and that's it. Got no hot water? That's crazy. G-Wagon is nonsense for daily driving. It's heavy brick with high fuel consumption, really bad in corners. Tried a G once, and only reason to buy it is off-road, but you don't want to off-road a 200k car. I don't think the higher fuel consumption matters too much. Like any dream car or any luxury car is going to be high fuel consumption. Plus, they look sick. And they're super comfortable, apparently. So, I'm not taking it fucking off-road. No way. Chat, look at this big pullback here, which is great. It's exactly what we want to see. So, hopefully we can come down shortly and tap into, you know, 2861-ish. Liters for 100 kilometers is too much. How many miles per gallon is that? Like 6, right? Bottom wick for the yeah, chat. If we come down and make a bottom wick for the previous 1 hour candle here after closing, all I need to see is us make that bottom wick and then flip, and we can take the buys to continue up. Right? We have 2 minutes here till the hourly closure, so it's about time to start locking it in. We should realistically have a decent opportunity here as well, especially if this 15 can close no bottom wick, chat. That'd be absolutely ideal. It's cool, my girl. Could you maybe explain the ranges? It's just a little bit of structure that we have on the 15-minute. That's literally it. There's nothing else. Nothing else, bro. There's literally no structure for all-time highs. So we just have to kind of go off price action and market structure. Bear bullish. Bear bullish. That's what we do at an all-time high. Look at lower ranges. I mean, no, I'm just looking to see if we retest into this level, but you can't have a level here. You can't have ranges here because there's no structure. I mean, we can look at the 5 technically. We can do something like this. You have like a tiny range from here to here. So maybe if you retest that, then that's where you'll be rejecting, but I think I'd like to see us come further down on the 1 hour. Everything in my sentence was wrong? Nah, you're good. Yeah, lower time frames. Yeah, you look at lower time frames. SG, would you like £1? No, you can keep it. Buy a Freddo or something. or a lottery ticket. Eugene, have you ever played Batman Arkham City? Alright, chat. Hourly close just here now. Lock it in. Bottom wick first. I need this to come down. No. But downwards. Downwards. Watch this come back down now, eh? See, if we can make a bigger bottom wick, we can attempt the rebreak of the highs. I need to see a big bottom wick here to tell us that we're not going to reject. You looking for a buy? I would be if we came and retraced a little bit further. You can stop adding commands, bro. He tried to cover it up as well. That's ridiculous. There, lend me $5. Bro, I would if crypto wasn't down. I'm broke though. I'm broke. Ethereum's fucking me over. What's good, man? How you doing? What's good? What's good? Chat, I don't know how you expect me to trade this shit. Hussy gives me £10 a week. Shut up, Eugene. This guy. Yeah, chat, look. Not much I can do here, to be honest. I can't lie. One of them ones. Chat, I want to show you my MT5, though, from the other day. Wait. This is max pain right here. Not really, but this is how sometimes trading can fuck you over. Let me just screenshot this. I don't... Wait, actually. Can I just transfer the terminal over? Yeah, chat. So we had basically... We had buys. We got stopped out on here. Alright, so just keep this in mind. We got stopped out here. And since then... Literally the bottom... That's a light little 550 pips. Something light, you know. No, but realistically, yesterday we took 2 W's in the morning, so that loss was basically just a break-even day. So yeah, it's what it is. But it's funny how sometimes trading can do that to you, to be honest. But yeah, gold is just ripping right now with Trump and everything doing what he's doing. Absolutely insane, chat. These are realistically the periods where you need to just sit out and just say, look, I'm not going to FOMO in here. You know, if you get a good pullback, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with taking an entry off of a pullback, but right now, chat, you just can't do it, to be fair. Can't do it. Chat, did anyone catch anything this morning, though? Or in Asian? If you guys were up during London or Asian, you might have had a good opportunity, to be fair. As we like came back and tapped into this level, or even, you know, buys here were not too bad. That was, what was that, pre-London? Yeah, 5:30, not too bad. Obviously, fuck being up at that time though. GU longs, nice, bro. Good shit, KB. You've been killing it recently. Room stinks. Crazy. Eugene, you have an interesting mind. An interesting mind. No structure, man. Couldn't take shit. Yeah, no, I hear it. Don't worry. I think, to be honest, there's a high likelihood that today's a no trade day. Like, you might have to wait for New York at least for some volume to come in and maybe get a retracement. We do have news, by the way, as well today. It's non-farm employment, right? Yeah, ADP non-farm employment change. So that is oh, you also have PMI as well later, sorry. So there's 2 news events today. You have 1:15 news Interesting. Early news. So we'll be on for that probably. 1:15 news. And then yeah, PMI later at 3 p.m. So it's either gonna come down and retrace and give us some volume to continue a push up, or it's gonna be just gonzo. 7 a.m. no top wick, took a dub. Good shit, level up, good stuff. Good stuff. Chat, listen, by the way, drop a like if you haven't already. I appreciate it very, very much. It's only 9 o'clock, already 60 of you in here, which means a lot, so I appreciate it very, very much. Yeah, we've been growing like crazy as well recently, so again, let's just keep that momentum up, and yeah, so much value being provided here completely for free every single day. You know, you can't really compete with that. I don't know anyone else doing the same thing. The win rate recently has been ridiculous, including, you know, a good risk to reward as well, not just like fucking ginormous stops and 10 pip profit. We've actually been trading, you know, one-to-ones pretty much. So yeah, chat, look, no one else does it like this. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, Eugene. 4 hour actually doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Like, in terms of structure, you do have that 4 hour close in about 53 minutes. So we'll wait for that. If you can come back down, retest into 61, like I said. Look at this, chat. See exactly why you don't want to FOMO into positions here, because yes, the 1 hour did push up. Yes, you might have got, you know, a couple of pips out of it, but it didn't grab liquidity. It's now flipping back down. So again, time to be patient. Let's look though. What's crypto doing? Let's go to crypto corner quickly. Have a little intermission thing that switches it over. But nah, Bitcoin's not doing the best. Ethereum's actually pushing up, which is not bad. Solana, meh. Structure's not the best on any of these, chat, to be honest. I would have expected, to be honest, if we were going to push up, it would have been right after we grabbed liquidity and flipped, but yeah, decided not to. Isn't Solana in a big range since 1 year? I don't think he's in a range, really. This is November 24. And I mean, look, yeah, I guess technically you could count this as a range, right? But it's a big range, and it did break all-time highs and everything as well, so I guess technically it is sort of consolidating, but if you zoom out, not really. Crypto, I mean, it does consolidate like that, but it's not really range bound like anything else. Ethereum too. Ethereum's actually... Wait, let's go on the weekly chat. Yeah. It has to make a decision now, chat. It's either way. Obviously, it's either way, right? It can either go up or down, but I mean, this is where it's going to decide whether it wants to push up or push down. You know, it's either going to mirror a move like this, or it's going to just decide to come back down, consolidate down in these lows here. And that just depends on Ethereum as a whole. Anyway, not too much into crypto here. Send me 1 BTC, please. Yeah, I'll send you a Bitcoin, Eugene. All you have to do is just send me like £5,000 just to show that it's actually your account, so that I know it's yours. Send it to my Bitcoin wallet, and then I'll send it all back plus 1 Bitcoin. All right. Liquidity grab? Yeah, I think it's a crypto maniac, but we'll see. If it was a liquidity grab, it would have ripped up after it, but it kind of didn't. Alright, chat, so we're coming down to make a bottom wick here. He didn't break the highs as well, but I don't really feel comfortable taking buys on this re-break of the highs now, especially because of obviously the fact that would be basically taking another buy at all-time highs. You want to take the buy before all-time high to then go up and re-break it, if that makes sense. So if we're talking in terms of market structure, what I should do? Oh, I clicked the reset button by accident. If we're talking in terms of market structure, right, you want to be essentially catching the higher low rather than the higher high. You know, we're doing stuff like this now. You want to see if we can come back down, and to be honest, if you could test back here, that'd be great. But if you can come back down and test into an area like this, that's when you want to take the buys in order to retest those highs again. Even if it's here, right? It doesn't matter where you take it, but you want to make sure that essentially gold has made the low. Once it makes the low, you want it to essentially just come down and, yeah, push back up, catch the low, and that's when you're sort of, you know, re-breaking the high, and then you're already risk-free by the time you re-break the high. Whereas if you take it here, you know, if you're wrong, pretty unforgiving, especially if it decides to retrace like it does at previous all-time highs, right? Like if you look at what happens every time we break all-time highs, you'll see like quite a continuous push up, and then a bit of consolidation, and then you push back down, right? Because you need to grab liquidity. Same thing here, right? When we broke highs, where was that? Yeah, here, push up, consolidate, push up again, broke back down below, and then obviously you continue back up. Yeah, it happens over and over again. You know, same thing happened here. This was an all-time high at one point. You push up continuously. I'm actually fumbling my words like crazy. You push up continuously and then decide to sort of have quite a big retracement. So, you know, at any given point, we could do the exact same right now. That's what crypto does. Every time it pumps like crazy, it dumps, make everyone panic sell, then whales eat up the dip. Yeah, true. To be fair, I did see, I put a graph on my story about the institutional buying volume of Bitcoin versus like the retail buying volume. And at the minute, like retail have been selling on, you know, retail have been buying, sorry, less than ever, and institutions have been buying more than ever. So I think realistically, they see a big push up in it. No top wick on the 2-hour candle. 2-hour candle's crazy. Check it. Yeah. No top wick on the 2-hour candle. The previous 1 hour as well, right? Or previous 1 hour. We'll see how much of an impact that plays, right? Obviously, you got the 4-hour close here, chatting about 40 minutes. Let's see. See what we decide to do. Do you have? Do I have what? Yes, I have. All right, chat. Look, pushing back down. You have a 15-minute close here in a minute's time. So, keyboard disconnected. Bought 10 earlier. Nice, Jay. Good stuff. So yeah, like I was saying, if you can push back down here, maybe close no bottom wick on the 15, tap back into 28.61. We're about 40 pips away from there, but I do want to see a retest of that level as a minimum, to be honest. Did you take anything? I see that closure above. Nah, nothing, bro. Nothing. There's not really been any clean closures, to be fair. We're just pushing straight through, so it's very difficult for us to trade right now. Been a good week. Hey, good stuff, Jay. Not even halfway through yet, though. I think I'm about break even for the week, roughly. I'm like maybe 0.4% up or something. Yeah, based off of like yesterday's trades and everything, we're about break even. I mean, look, it's been a great month so far. Great start to the month, great start to the week. But yeah, we need to see what we can do here, lock it in, and we should be good, to be fair. All right, cool. You go, girlfriend. Insane. Good morning, boys. Just remember to join. Hey. Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You go, girlfriend is crazy. Got 15-minute closing here. Looks like we might close no bottom wick. I don't think that means I'm going to attempt any buys, to be fair. No, it didn't close no bottom wick anyway. Oh, it did on my broker. That is interesting, chat. That is interesting. So on my broker, it's no top wick, but on... oh, sorry, no bottom wick, but on Xauusd, it doesn't look like it is. By the way, chat, did you guys see that Xauusd got bought by FTMO? Insane, right? Absolutely insane. I did not expect that. I was really expecting, to be honest, not expecting, but I thought that Xauusd was much bigger as a company than FTMO, but apparently not. Is that a good thing? I don't know if it's a good or bad thing, to be honest. No, they can't manipulate it. It's still regulated. They'll get the regulation as well, so no. Buenos dias, what's good, Tom? How's it going, man? Yeah, chat, so, that a good thing? Yeah, I don't think it's a good or a bad thing. I just think it's an interesting thing. Probably solidifies FTMO as a great prop firm, right? It's probably the best because, yeah, they're obviously doing very well. They just bought a regulated broker. I wonder if that means they're going to trade their funded accounts off of Xauusd now. If they did, that'd be crazy. Why would FTMO buy Xauusd? They did buy Xauusd. Why wouldn't they? They make a fortune. Xauusd make a fortune as well. What's good, Jar? Might bring in more regulations to the prop industry. Potentially, I don't know. I mean, look, Xauusd's obviously probably the most... It's one of the biggest brokers. But yeah, I don't know what it's going to do in terms of regulation. They own their own broker now? I thought they did before. I thought they already did before. I thought they had their own broker still, and like, but it was just like FTMO or something. But even still, like the technology and the client base and everything that Xauusd has, yeah, it's going to be massive for them. It's a huge company. Chat, the funny thing is, in Cyprus, literally where I'm moving, Xauusd have their headquarters. Now, I know Xauusd are not the best broker, but shows what money these Forex brokers have. They have a massive, like, glass high-rise building in the middle of the marina. Must have cost some millions. And there's cars with Xauusd on all around the city. All around the city. Find it. Yeah, they have some big office like this. I looked into the Xauusd revenue you were talking about, and yeah, it's insane. Yeah, so my realtor said basically that they're doing like 90 mil a month. Like, I don't know if that's revenue or profit or what, but I presume it's just revenue. It's good, Adnan. Yeah, they'll put an office too. Yeah, they will. Yeah. Trade with and FTMO challenge will be discounted. Smart. Yeah, smart. Suskin, what's good? What are you looking for today at all-time high? At the minute, I'm looking for a retracement, right? I'm looking for us to come back down, retest some lower areas before I can take anything. So I'm looking, again, just to catch some market structure here in terms of, I want us to make another low here, another higher low, and then continue back up. The low could either be at 61 or 54, even to be fair, down at 45, but yeah. I want to see exactly something like this, right? Catch that low and continue back up. Obviously, we need to wait for a setup to form, but once you retrace, form a setup, you should be good. Yeah, like over $1 billion annual revenue. Bro, $1 billion annual revenue is fucking crazy. And it's all funneled through Cyprus, which is fucking basically tax-free for them. Because that's the thing with Cyprus, right? Cyprus has 12% corporate tax. But then they have a fucking load of deductibles, like a shitload. I think FTMO is making a lot of money copy trading their top traders. Yeah, they wouldn't need to copy trade it. They just put it on a live broker, right? I mean, yeah, I guess technically it's copy trading. Yeah, they definitely do that, but it's a very small number of traders that they're going to do it on. A very small number of traders. You know, like top 0.1%. But yeah, you are right. They definitely will do that. Now they own a broker too. Whoa. Yeah, so the Xauusd guy lives in the neighborhood next to mine. So I live in a... I wasn't going to... I was about to say the exact neighborhood that I live in, but I'm not going to. I live in the hills, basically. And then in the hills across from me is where the guy from FTMO... The guy who owns Xauusd lives. Bro, this guy has the biggest fucking house I've seen in a long time. Crazy mansion. Did you really take Tren, hence the YouTube name? No, bro, I didn't take Tren. If I took Tren, I'd be a lot bigger than I am right now. I'm pretty small right now, chat, to be honest. I've been slacking with the training and the food. But no, I never took Tren. I never will take Tren either. Fucking crazy drug, that. The main income is failed brokers? What do you mean? Do they buy failed brokers or what? Never say never. That's true, Tom. True. Can you post the other Instagram accounts in Discord? I could not find them, the Clips accounts. Yeah, I got you, bro. I'll post them here real quick. Chat, we do have I do have a lot of Clips accounts that have started up posting a lot of content in terms of like value for trading. Definitely worth a follow, all of them. So we have one. This Trendline's Wisdom. Oh, people buying challenges and failing. Yeah, of course. I thought you said brokers. But yeah, failed traders then, surely. Two. And then final one here, chat, as well. Chat, go follow all of these, to be fair. When's the next vlog? Oh, bro, it should be coming out this Friday. I've been slacking a little bit on uploading it. But yeah, it should be coming out this Friday. And then once I'm in Cyprus, I want to do like weekly vlogs, like proper weekly vlogs. I think they're sick. It's like 95% of people fail. No, Jar, it's way bigger than that. I think it's like 99%, 98%. I need me a vlog again. Really enjoy watching them. Hey, thank you, Danny. I appreciate it. Is donations off? I don't know, bro. Yeah, I think maybe. I haven't really looked at it, to be fair. I don't really want people donating to me, though. May as well keep your money and put it into a broker, but... Is gold pushing? Yeah, it is. What's good, Marco? Gold is pushing like crazy off that no bottom wick. Re-breaking the highs here, chat. So it looks like we don't want a pullback. It looks like we don't want a big pullback. You're a legend, SG. I appreciate it, Jar. I appreciate it, man. That means a lot. Yeah, chat, holy fuck. Big 5-minute candle here. Take a break of the previous high. I don't want it. I don't want it. You could take it. Technically, it's not invalid. I just don't want it. Holding a buy since 28.63. Stops to break even already. Nice, bro. Got the buys there. Good stuff, Jar. Yeah, chat, this is not for me. I need that pullback. I just need the pullback. It feels ridiculously overextended right now. Look at the daily time frame. Just look at it already. We're literally 9 hours into the day and it's done this already. London session hasn't really properly started yet. I feel like at some point you just have to reverse. I mean, maybe you don't, but nice. None of my pullback zones are getting tapped, just pure impulse on PA. Yeah, which is why I can't take it. Like, I just can't do it, unfortunately. I'm not really a big impulse trader, chat. You guys will have noticed that, right? I don't really like the impulse positions that much. For me personally, I just like to be 100% certain. I like to stick to the strat. We did close above the most recent on the 1 minute though, and on the 5-minute close, no top wick though, chat. This price action is horrible. I always feel like when I get into profit, it's minimal profit, but when I end up in a loss, it's like the biggest amount ever. It depends, bro. It depends if you're closing early or if you're hitting like large stops. But again, you have to remember, like with the strategy that we trade, you know, our risk to reward is going to be a little bit negative. So your losses probably are going to be bigger than your wins. But with the fact that we win so many trades, you know, I still have like an 88% win rate over the past year and throughout this year. In fact, throughout this year, it's even higher, I think. So like, essentially, you know, you have to just get a little bit used to that and be fine with it being, you know, 1 or 2 trades getting taken out by a winner. But realistically, you can also work on getting a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Like, it's not a problem either. And then your wins and losses will be the exact same. It's just up to you, bro. But yeah, like if you feel that way, then obviously there's nothing wrong with changing anything. There's never anything. Well, I don't know. Make little tweaks. Again, like I said, chat, I uploaded a clip about this the other day on my Instagram, but essentially you have to play to your own strengths as a trader. You know how your mind works. I don't know how anyone else's mind works. I don't know how Jar's mind works. Definitely don't know how Eugene's mind works. I only know how my mind works, and I know what is best suited for me as a trader. So, you know, that's what I do. But, you know, for some other people, it might work better to do different stuff. So, you know, when you're learning to trade, you realistically need to just think to yourself, okay, you know, how does my mind work? How does my mentality work? How can I, you know, adopt that into my trading? Do I need to take, you know, longer positions? Do I need to take better risk to reward? Whatever it is, just find those little tweaks, make them yourself, and you have to sort of, you know, adapt and create your own strategy. Like my main goal here, even with the course and everything, is not to teach you guys just how to copy my strategy. It's how to teach you guys as well how to learn a strategy, how to create a strategy. You know, because everyone has their own strategy essentially. Everyone has their own edge, and yeah. What's your opinion on equity edge? Because I think it's really shit. The spreads are huge on gold. Yeah, I think it's shit, to be honest. I think it's just a bullshit prop firm. I would stay far away from them. A lot of people were pushing them when they first came out because it was a bit of a cult. Like there's a group of people inside the prop firm space, and they all push the same prop firms. And those props always end up fucking going down, right? It's funny. But equity edge, obviously it hasn't gone down, don't get me wrong, but one of those ones. I know who owns it. I know who sort of whose tech they use and everything. I would stay away from it. What's good, Mark? Good morning, man. Discount code literally every day. I think it's a bit suspicious. Yeah, it is. Yeah, any firm that offers a 50% discount, stay away from. That's just like a pretty standard rule there. They're offering like 40, 50% discounts. A 40% discount every now and then is okay. 30% every now and then is fine. But like, yeah. There's a reason they're discounting their products. 30-minute just closed here. Although my trading view is frozen. The next one hasn't opened up. There you are. That was mad. It took ages for it to open up. ACG is nice. Has been nice so far. Only funded account I have is on there. Really like using MT5. Yeah, but MT5 is great, and ACG are really, really good. Chat, if you do want to get a prop firm account, if you need a funded account and you haven't already got one, or you need some more, go and use code SG at ACG. It gets you 20% off. And yeah, that's realistically the best discount you're going to get over there. They are probably, you know, those ACG and FTMO are my two most trusted prop firms, to be honest. Match Trader? What the fuck is Match Trader? Yeah, fuck that. Chat, the firms that don't use MetaTrader 5 as well are a little bit difficult. It means they haven't paid for the MT5 license. What would you call the strategy you're using? Is it liquidity price action? I would call it TRLS concepts. But yeah, no, realistically, I'd say it's... Hang on one sec. Yeah, so realistically, TRLS concepts, we're going to say it's made up of, yeah, price action, obviously market structure, support and resistance, and breakouts, and obviously liquidity as well. So yeah, liquidity sweeps, etc. Those are the 5 main things that we sort of use here. 5 main things that we use, and they are essentially all you need to be able to be a profitable trader, right? All you need. Keep it simple, learn these 5 things, and yeah, you'll be okay. Oanda doesn't have MT5. That would probably change now they've been bought by FTMO. Yeah, most likely. I don't think, yeah. Would you go for a raw spread account or no commission when setting up an account? With ACG, in all honesty, both are fine. I prefer raw spread, but the ACG spread is not bad. So with ACG, you can probably go with commission free, and you'll be all right because you don't want to be paying commission, to be honest. I've never actually used ACG's raw spread account though. I always use raw spread on my broker, but on ACG, I've only ever used commission free. Black Friday, FTMO offered 10% discount because they know they have the edge. Yeah, it's also a psychology thing, right? So, you know, it's different types of marketing. You have like scarcity marketing, and you have essentially, you know, branded marketing. So FTMO are establishing themselves as a brand. You know, as like a luxury brand. For example, you don't see sales really at Louis Vuitton or Gucci. You know, you definitely don't see sales at Ferrari, Bugatti, Rolex, anywhere like that, right? And they're trying to do the same thing, which is the best way to go about it. Hats off to them. Same reason why, you know, same reason why I'll never put a sale on or a discount code on my course, because, you know, realistically, the value you get in there, you know, you get daily calls with me for free. You get a course and you get signals. There's so much value on it. I would never put a discount on it. And again, that's just how marketing works, right? You have firms like FTMO doing the exact same thing. They know they are providing so much value, so they don't need to put discounts on. Whereas these props that are doing 50% discounts, even I saw some the other day doing 60% off. Stay away from them. It's not it's not the one to do. 4 sales, 500 spent. Crazy. What's good, Nathaniel? How's it going, man? Yeah, because people have FOMO. Yeah, it's not just FOMO as well. It's like yeah, I guess. But those fucking discount codes is ridiculous. Like 60% off. I saw TFT as well doing like, what did TFT do? Because they're trying to make a comeback somehow, which they never will. Trying to do 70% off or something. Yeah, the 55% off, 65% off, bro. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. If I'm honest, I like the way that the futures prop firms do their pricing. I think it's a better model. Royal Pro has like 75% off, but I've never heard of Royal Pro. And that tells you something, right? Bear in mind, I'm like very tapped in the trading space, and I've never heard of that prop firm. That tells you a lot. I'm good, mate. Yourself? I'm a bit late today. Nah, all good, bro. Don't worry. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Have you ever traded futures? Yeah, I traded briefly on Apex. I actually passed like 3 Apex accounts. I got to like 200k in funding. Then I got close to a payout as well, and then just fucking blew the accounts, in all honesty. That was ages ago, though. I wasn't even trading a strategy. I was just like, I don't know, sort of having a bit of fun with it. Also, when I check if a broker's legit, I check payout junction. Yeah, it does. Yeah, payout junction is good. Alright, chat. 23 minutes here to a 4-hour close. So, obviously, you've just been ripping straight up, and you're still ripping straight up. If we are just going to continue to do this into the 4-hour, it's going to be very, very difficult. We're at a psychological level, right? What, 69? Maybe. Nah, 70 realistically. Yeah, wait. It depends though with payout junction because I don't think they track like crypto payouts and shit as well. Yeah, ACG on here. A lot of these are funded futures ones. Tradeify. Largest single payout, 46k. Not bad. Average payout size, yeah, insane. What's good, Rays? How's it going, man? Chat, listen, drop a like, by the way, if you haven't already. Let's get to 50 likes before this 4-hour closure. Very, very possible. Okay, Jed, when can you take payouts on these funded accounts? Say I start with 5,000 and get it to 550. Could you take that 500? So you have to pass phase 1 and phase 2, or phase 1 if you get a 1-phase account. And then once you pass those, then yeah, you get 80% of your profit split, or 80% of your payout. Yeah. So yeah, if it's 500, 80% of it, you get $400. It's a good way to scale accounts if you haven't already got like a decent live account. It definitely is. Doing good, bro. What about you? Yeah, Raze, I'm chilling, bro. Thank you. Profit split day. Let's go, Tom. Big dubs. Yeah, we are just ripping straight through here. Absolutely ripping straight through. And it's to start with 0.2 at 5k and every 500 profit gain go to 0.2224, etc. Up to 10k. Yeah, bro, to be honest, you could do that. Or just take a payout and scale it into another account. It's not a bad idea. You got to remember that the 5% and 10% drawdown still applies, right? So it gets a bit difficult. I mean, it does scale as you scale, so not too bad. Just be careful. Alright, chat. You have a 15-minute closure here in about 4 minutes' time. From the looks of things, we are still going to be pushing upwards. 0.2 on a 5k is a lot. Depends what your stops are. Right? Or no? Okay, let me work it out. My head is so fried right now. I didn't really sleep last night, so maths is not mathing. 0.2 or 0.1 lot is basically £1 per pip. No, it's not too bad. You're 2% risk at 50 pips, yeah. 40 pip stops, yeah, that's not bad. That's decent. That's decent. Doable, man. It's doable. Yeah, have a 40 pip stop maximum and then do a 0.2 lot. You'll be fine. I used to get gassed about all-time high. Now I can't stand it because I understand how risky it is. Yeah, I hear that. A lot of traders get excited about it because there's obviously a lot of volume, but how much is gold GBP is 2,200 right now. How much is an ounce? 28 grams. How much is 28 grams? I wonder if my ring has 28 grams. No, right? Maybe. Quite heavy. What else? XAU, Euro. Coming up to 100 euros per gram of gold, which is ridiculous as well. That's fucking big. XAU AUD is over 4.5k. Yeah, that is crazy. That is insane. Start with the 5k, get comfortable, secure some profit, then open a 10k. Yeah, and then like do the same thing over and over again until you're like on a 200k. I think that's the best move, personally, because you keep the account, right? Even after you get payouts, you still keep the account, so there's no reason to not take the payouts. Chat, we're ripping up right now. What I want to know is who's still buying gold up here. Who is still buying gold up here? Like, in terms of institutional. Maybe they see it going a lot higher, but I think the risk to reward is ridiculous, no? I bought some. What, physical gold? In JP Morgan's chart? What, the actual stock? Yeah, crazy. Gold would go up if you think about what's happening with the world. Yeah, no, I know that. Like, I'm definitely very bullish on gold still, but I'm just saying, like, who's still buying it at this premium? Like, I know for a fact, like, it's very common knowledge that institutions and investors, you know, in hedge funds, etc., they don't FOMO into trades. They wait for price to come to them. So I really want to know who's buying gold here, because once they set a level, they're not going to go, oh shit, you know what, let's just get in here. You know, they're literally waiting for a specific price point to be tapped. But gold is still ripping up despite that fact. So obviously I know there's fundamental impacts of, you know, what's going on in the world outside that's pushing gold up right now. But still, like, People have to be buying it for it to push up like this. Definitely the market makers targeting the ICT boys stop loss orders. Yeah, trust me. Russia and China would trade and invest in gold. Yeah. Plus the BRICS currency and everything. Like gold backed. I'm about to become a prime trader with FTMO, meaning I lock the profit split from 80% to 90%. Let's go, Louis. Good stuff. Congrats, man. The big institutions are still long from 1800. Yep. Yep. I started watching that series, Industry, last night. It's pretty good. Pretty good, I can't lie. What's it about? It's about investment bankers and traders. It's on like BBC, which I'm not too happy about, but it's fucking weird though, to be fair. Pretty weird, but it's alright. Like it's about investment bankers. Right now I'm above the 4%. Hey, let's go, bro. Trump cut off aid to South Africa. Not sure what that's going to do, but it sounds scary. It does sound scary. I think it'll be fine. Chat. We are just pushing straight through. Yeah, you know what? I'm very tempted to call it a day here. Or at least a session. I don't think there's anything I can take right now. There's no point us waiting on stream either. This is, yeah. What do I email Raise for bonus? Let me just get it up for you. So after you deposit, you just have to email them and say this. I want to stack my 100k accounts till a max allocation of 600k for optimal risk management. Yeah, good shit, bro. Isn't it 500k with FTMO? Or is it when you scale up, you get 600? That's sick, though. Yeah, that's so cool, man. Made $15 on the break of the previous. Good stuff, man. Congrats. When you get Prime Trader, you get bigger max allocation. Nice. Alright, chat. Yeah, look. To be honest with you guys, I don't even think it's worth waiting for this 4 hour. I'm going to call it a session right here. I'm probably going to go hit the gym early. We'll play a Geoguessr. But this is pretty much untradeable for me. It's just parabolic upwards. It looks like a fucking crypto chart. Literally looks like a crypto chart on fucking Pump Fun or something. So, chat, I'm going to stay out of this one for right now. I'm going to wait for a consolidation, pullback type shit. And then, yeah, we're going to be looking at sort of entering around New York session if it does do that pullback that we're looking for. Chat, so join up the Geoguessr. Like the stream if you're going to dip off early. Much appreciate it. The support is absolutely insane. New York stream. Yeah, there'll be a New York stream in the group. 100%. But yeah, chat, the support has been incredible recently. It means a lot. So yeah, just drop a subscribe if you haven't already. And otherwise, I'll see you on tomorrow's stream. But yeah, let's get into this Geoguessr. So I'm going to start in about 5-10 seconds. Oh. Big turnout for the game. Oh, shit. Right. Chat. 3, 2, 1. Alright, cool. Let's see what we can do, chat. Fuck, I was so far away. Sri Lanka? Oh, Colombo. Ah, smart. Smart, smart, smart. I did see that and I didn't know where it was. In a bit, Louis. In a bit, Tom. In a bit, Nathaniel. I have no clue where this is. I'm just purely going to guess, to be honest. Yo. Good guess. I'll take it. Right country. Shouldn't have said I had no idea where it was. I should have acted like an expert. Where is this? I really do not know where it is. Nowhere near. Absolutely miles away, chat. 2 rounds left. Jar's in the lead right now. Pretty close race though. Oh, this is definitely... I don't know why. I have a feeling this is somewhere like this. Could be massively wrong, but it looks like it to me. Ah. You guys got close. Yeah, good guesses, to be fair. Jar Malenko racing for the top. I don't know. Stick it here. I'm feeling it's like the Canary Islands or some shit. Nah, miles away. Alright, chat, look. Who took the dub there? Mr. Jar. Followed closely by Malenko. Yeah, that was close. I'll take a 3rd place, why not? Alright, chat, look. W. Congratulations. Have a great rest of your day, chat. I'm going to see you guys again tomorrow on the London stream. Otherwise, if you are in the private group, I'll see you all for the New York session stream. Appreciate you guys for pulling up. And yeah, if you are trading the rest of the day, be careful at all-time high. It's very, very difficult. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye, chat. See you later.